Well, it's a healthcare system charged with taking care of Americans' veterans. Now some of those vets are calling that system broken.
Just today, the Chief of Staff of Veterans Affairs was actually in Omaha. Robert Neighbors met with veterans earlier this afternoon and listened to their concerns about the VA hospital here. He assured them that the problems will be fixed. But when our Brandon Scott heard from one veteran who just can't wait, in fact, he says it's life or death.
Do you have any confidence left in the VA?
I don't, none at all. It's uncalled for. There's no excuse for it. It's inexcusable.
Jonathan Robbins served his country in the 90s as a Marine radio operator and receives his health care through the Veterans Administration. In April, he went to his doctor with pain in his throat.
I have a history of neck and throat cancer in my family, so I was very concerned.
Robbins says his doctor wasn't concerned and prescribed basic antibiotics, but the pain didn't go away.
She asked me, well, what do you want me to do?
What did you tell her?
I'll edit it and say that I not politely told her that if she couldn't figure it out, that she needed to refer me to somebody who could.
1 month later, Robbins was finally referred to a VA ear, nose, and throat specialist who immediately diagnosed him with stage 3 throat cancer. He needed aggressive treatment, but couldn't schedule his own appointment.
They make the appointment for you, and then they drop a letter in the mail telling you when your appointment day and time is. July 6th is when the letter was written.
And when was your appointment?
My appointment was July 7th.
He missed that appointment and 3 others because his letters arrived days after his appointments were scheduled.
My mailbox has been stuffed. I've had 3 or 4 appointment letters come in the same day.
And because of those missed appointments, 3 months after his cancer symptoms first appeared, this veteran still hasn't received any treatment.
Cancer is a pretty big deal, you know, especially when it's stage 3. That's something that you don't want to wait a week if you can avoid it.
And Robbins tells me that as far as he knows, he still is not scheduled to receive any sort of treatment for his cancer. But a VA doctor did tell him that the system will hopefully be expedited soon. In the meantime, we reached out to the VA health system to ask if anyone could address these claims and respond to any questions. We were told that privacy laws prohibit them from commenting. Our request for an interview was denied. Reporting live with photographer Dustin Dales, I'm Brandon Scott, WOWT 6 News.